Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again. So some of you guys might be able to tell that this is the same day that I filmed the tailgate cover. I also have this other mod. So this is the LED headlights, headlamp bulb, I guess, not LED headlights because those are too expensive. So today I'm pretty much just gonna unbox it, and then I do need to film the truck driving at night. Oh, look, an airplane. I know another YouTube channel that could relate. Alright guys, so our guest has decided to make a special appearance right now. So he woke up from his nap. So we are still going to be unboxing this real quick. Come on, buddy. Sit. Sit. How you like the tailgate, huh? How you like that cover? Anyway, we'll speed past this. Anyway, so these are the Posker, by the way. I think that's what you call them. I got them on Amazon. They were about 30 or 40 bucks. And this is what came in the box. I'm not sure what this is. We'll probably have to read the instructions. And then warranty card. And here are the actual bulbs. Whoa, buddy. Here we go. He's not gonna cooperate with me. But yeah, here are the bulbs. So we will be installing them, and we'll see how it goes. I'll be posting I'll be recording the rest of the video in the next couple of days, just so I get some nighttime footage with the halogen headlights that I have, and also these LEDs. So we'll see if they were worth it or not. About 40 bucks. They were on Amazon. They had about a 10% off, possibly. And yeah, well, see you guys in a bit. Say bye, buddy. Nope. Alright. Alright guys, so this is gonna be that my halogen lights right now driving. As you can see, they're not very bright. I can probably see up to the white car. I don't know how it's gonna show up on video, but I can also see like to the car at the end. That's where the light, and then after the stoplight is lit up by some other light. But I could see probably like a good 30 feet ahead of me. 40 maybe? I don't know. Kind of hard to tell. It's pretty dark here. Alright guys, so these are the LED lights. And it's been a couple of months. It's been maybe like 3 or 4 months since I installed them, and like about 5 months since I've made the beginning part of this video. And honestly, I cannot tell you if they're better or not. Definitely, like, I could see like right in front of me it's way brighter, but I don't know if they go as far or not. I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe I should have done it back to back. So see right here, lights on. I guess it does have pretty reach, like it goes up to that that white car that's over there. I don't know how it's gonna show up on camera, but the light did reach this car from that stop sign, so it was on. But yeah, anyway, I guess we'll find out soon. Alright guys, so we're back in the same street. I don't know if we're in the exact same spot, but this is the street where I was turning off my lights and turning them on, and turned on the Baja design lights. So this light's off, lights on. And for sure the lights are way brighter. So look right here. On, off, on. And that's the Baja Designs lights. Anyway guys, so if you guys did enjoy the content, then please give a subscription, a like, a share. I'll be putting out more videos, and thank you guys for watching.